After watching the video, you will have to judge if this was the easiest level of the Over the Wire Bandit series. The level I'm talking about is Over the Wire Bandit level 25. Let's see how it's done. Let's access the documents directory. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit25 password. Then let's exit, clear the screen, and let's use SSH bandit25 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org-p2220. Let's enter, paste the password and enter again. Now that we're inside, let's use ls, and here we can find a file called bandit26.ssh key. Let's use cat and then bandit26.ssh key, and here we have a private key. Just copy it. Then access the remote machine, clear the screen, and create a file called bandit26.ssh key. Let's enter, paste the value, and save and quit. Then let's add the right permissions with change mod 600 bandit26.ssh key, and let's enter. Let's use ls-al bandit26.ssh key, and we added the read and write permissions to the bandit26 ssh key. Today's tutorial was fairly easy, but prepare for the next one. Remember to check the full documentation of the Over the Wire Bandit series. If the video was interesting, consider a like, a comment, or a follow. See ya!